you a magic trick. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my box. Oh, what's my box? Alright, we're going to put your train in the magic box. Okay, and then you're going to pull your train back out. Okay? We're going to see what happens. Okay? We're going to put each car in the box. You got to put all of them in here. Alright. You ready? Okay, now we gotta close it. And we're gonna shake it up. Shake it up good. Okay, now, do you want to see what happened
don't be
to
afraid.
your train?
Yeah.
Don't be afraid.
Okay, reach in there and get your train back out. What happened, Aiden?
This is my train.
What happened to your train? Can you get it? Okay, that's it. What happened to your train? You put in one train. What did you get?
Mom, there's two trains.
There's two trains.
Yay!
You put one train in the box and out came two trains. What do you think about that? Is that pretty cool?
Connect that, connect this, and connect these.
We're busy connecting.
Aiden, you only had one train, now you have two.
What do you think about that?
Mama can't connect that.
We're busy connecting them. We have to connect the trains now.
Aiden, can you say thank you to Mommy for the other trains? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Mama.
Where did we find these trains again?
They were out in the. They were in the attic above the garage before we converted the garage.
Mama, right here.
Here, let's see.
And God knew when we bought this house at the right time how much joy Aiden would find in
Yeah, you connect.
train ownership.
And we're going to have this.
You want to have a really long train?
We're going and road. No.
What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
Connect this.
I need to connect this? Okay.
It's all gone.
It's all done. Wasn't that a cool game? Did you like that game?
Mama, I can't get it. Put Mommy in here.
Put Mommy in there. Let's put the motorcycle.
I want two motorcycles. Uh-oh.
Okay, let's shake it.
Jen, you're gonna get in trouble.
Oh!
Oh! Yeah, shake it some more, Daddy. Maybe it only works with the train. Maybe the box doesn't have any more magic. Maybe it only had enough magic for one train. You can try shaking it, but it might only have enough magic just to do the one train.
Thank you.
That's what we think about that, Daddy.
Aiden, can you say thank you, Mommy, for the new train? Actually, we need to say thank you, Charles Brumbelow and family. Aiden, you're sort of blocking my shot. Okay, bye. Love you.
Love you.